Hello everyone, my name is Logeshwari and I am excited to present my learnings and reflections on the value-added course Disruptive Technology offered as part of the KSI initiative at Kumaraguru College of Technology. The two cohorts I chose to explore and specialize in during this course are cloud computing and web and software development. These two domains are deeply interconnected and form the backbone of modern tech landscape, driving innovation and offering scalable, real-world solutions across sectors. Let me first share why I chose cloud computing as one of my key areas of interest. As someone passionate about how large scale applications are managed and deployed, I have always been curious about the backend systems that power platforms like Google, Netflix, and Amazon. Cloud computing lies at the heart of this technological revolution. My motivation stems from a desire understand and work with cloud infrastructure that is reliable, cost effective, and scalable. With the increasing global shift toward digital transformation, companies of all sizes, from startups to enterprises, are moving their operations to the cloud, and I want to be part of that shift. I have a natural curiosity to explore platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. This course introduced me to the basic concepts such as virtual machines, containers, serverless architecture, and cloud storage. I realized how cloud computing isn't just about storing data online. It's about providing dynamic infrastructure that can adjust based on usage patterns, optimize cost, and increase availability across geographies. I also see huge learning opportunities ahead, particularly through certifications like AWS Certified Solutions Architect or Google Cloud Associate Engineer, which I intend to pursue with the help of KSI's academic and infrastructure support. From a career perspective, cloud computing is one of the fastest growing fields in the IT industry today. It is projected to become a $1 trillion market in the coming years, with roles like cloud engineer, develop specialist, and cloud security analyst seeing increasing demand. Major industry trends such as hybrid and multi-cloud architectures, AI integration with cloud platforms, and advancement in cloud-native technologies like Kubernetes and Docker make this field highly dynamic and future-ready. Now, moving on to my second cohort of interest, web and software development. I have always been someone who enjoys building things from scratch, especially applications that offer users a smooth and engaging experience. My motivation to explore this field is grounded in my desire to bring ideas to life in the form of interactive websites, management systems, and full fledged software tools. I started learning front end development through HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and now I'm slowly transitioning into full stack development by exploring frameworks like React, Node, .js and Django. Web development is not just about building pretty websites. It's about designing systems that are fast, secure and intuitive. The backend requires knowledge of databases, APIs, server management and data handling, while the front end focuses on user experience, responsiveness and design thinking. I find it intellectually rewarding to balance both these aspects and build applications that can potentially solve real-world problems. The demand for skilled developers continues to rise, whether it's in startup ecosystems or in large enterprises. There's a constant need for people who can build scalable and secure digital solutions. Job roles like front-end developer, software developer, UI/UX designer, and full-stack developers are widely available. The industry trends I am most interested in include progressive web applications, microservices architecture, mobile first design, and AI assisted coding tools. All these advancements make the world of software development both exciting and challenging. While exploring these two domains, I identified several challenges that students and professionals often face. In the cloud computing, one major challenge is managing the scalability of applications without compromising on performance or cost. As applications grow, resource usage can spike, and without proper monitoring, this can result in unexpected build or performance drops. Another critical challenge is ensuring security and compliance, especially when sensitive data is involved. Organizations must protect against cyber attacks while maintaining user privacy. In web development, one of the most common challenges is fast changing technology landscape. New frameworks, libraries, and tools are introduced frequently, making it necessary for developers to continuously learn and adapt. Based on this insight, I framework a challenge statement to address a real world problem using the knowledge gained from both cohorts. My challenge statement is how can we build a secure, scalable cloud-based web application for educational institution? Some of the constraints I have to consider include affordability, especially for smaller institutions with limited IT budgets. Overall, my learning from this value-added course has been both broad and deep. I gained a strong understanding of how cohorts function, what they expect, and what they relate to industry demands. Another important takeaway was the understanding of best practices in the industry. The exposure I got from this course will definitely help me in future internships, projects, and job roles. Thank you for listening to my presentation.